morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It is about 8:30 in the morning and it is the 4th of July weekend, but they have a mud volleyball tournament and a carnival in town, so let's get our day started. I had to do some grocery shopping real quick because I didn't realize I was completely out of food. And we are off. On my way to the grocery store, I saw a little bit of the carnival and I didn't really see anybody there, so I don't know if it's open or not, but I did see a market that was going on. So we're gonna check that out first.
Well, different soups each day for you to try. Oh, awesome. The website has all the crock pot, and they all look great in there. We do them all the time. Yeah,
beans are easier. I did
beans
this
are easier.
one, crock pot. I mean, not as brand necessarily, but yeah.
I just bought one of the sticky buns. Look how amazing that looks. Ooh. Typically this park would have like 10 to 15 tents all along that side of the street, but I mean they probably have 50 to 75 tents here today. There's more behind this set here, but there's just so many people. So we just spent about 2 to 3 hours there at the marketplace. We're gonna head back to where the carnival is to see if it's open just yet. So I hope it is. And you can look at the weather. I really hope it doesn't rain. I'm gonna be a little upset because it's been raining all weekend long. I just hope it clears up later today or maybe tomorrow and they open it, because that would really suck if it wasn't open. So let's go see if they even have the mud volleyball tournament still going on. It looks like the mud volleyball is still going because I can see some tents in the distance, which is where it's being held. Do y'all know how deep that mud is?
It's anywhere from 18 to 24 inches roughly.
It's just like regular volleyball. You have to make it to 25, maybe 26 if needed, and then it's best 2 out of 3. This is absolutely insane. There is so much mud everywhere.
Around town?
Their barbecue hamburger is very, very good. They have this wash station here after every single game. This is where the players come to pretty much wash off. I'm on my way home right now. I'm gonna go wash off a little bit because I did get money as expected. And then I think I'm gonna go to the Mark Twain Museum. It's about 3 o'clock right now and the museum closed a little bit earlier than it usually does. So the plan is to check one more time tonight to see if the carnival is open. If it is, we'll go there tonight. If not, we'll check again tomorrow. So the carnival is actually open. that you pay for unlimited rides, but it's only from 5 p.m. until they close at 10. Almost 10:30 and I got home about 10 minutes ago, so I'm exhausted, but I enjoyed the carnival a lot. I just wish it had maybe a few more rides, but I loved it. I had a great time. Let's see what we got planned for tomorrow. Good afternoon, everyone. It is almost lunchtime and I'm starving, so I'm gonna make me a Caesar salad because I'm really craving one. But the store was out of regular iceberg lettuce, so I have to use this iceberg garden lettuce here, and then I'm just gonna throw in some Caesar dressing, and then it's gonna be like a little side salad. And then we are gonna be making some broccoli cheese soup, and I bought this broccoli cheese soup mix at the market yesterday. All you have to do is add water, let it boil, and then you're gonna add some milk and cheese and cook that for another 10-15 minutes, and you have broccoli cheese soup. Salad is still good though. Today has been a very boring day. I've done absolutely nothing all day. It is the day before a major holiday, so most businesses are closed except for like 1 or 2 places. So we're just gonna forget about today and move on to tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well today. The plan for today is to go to the museum, and then we're gonna go to the carnival one more time tonight. They're also gonna set off some fireworks near the carnival, but it's a little bit in the distance on top of Lover's Leap, which is like a cliff that kind of overlooks the entire town. So we should have a good view of that. I think they've got some parade going on in downtown right now. I had no idea about. I don't want to miss it. It looks like they're passing pretty quick. Yes, thank you.
Can I get another one? I get it.
I finally made it to the museum. It only cost about $7 to get in. Later, and I'm finally back home. I had so much fun at the parade. I had no idea that they even had a parade going on, but I quickly jumped to the side, was trying to film it and like watch it and everything. I had such a great time. And then I went to the museum right after, as you saw, and I actually bought a couple things from the museum. One of them being a shot glass, because I do collect shot glasses. It's really, really cute. I love that. And then the second thing was a Hannibal, Missouri chocolate sea salt caramel bar. It looks so good. So I can't wait to try that. And I'm actually gonna try it right now. Ooh, you can already see some caramel coming out of it. After I eat lunch, the plan is to just kind of hang out and chill until the carnival tonight and fireworks. So this is supposed to be the best spot to be able to watch the fireworks. I don't know if you can tell off in the distance, the flag there, that's Lover's Leap, and that's where the fireworks are going to be set off. I really wish that stupid light post wasn't in my way, but there were so many lawn chairs already set up. It was very hard to find a spot. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you really liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, do all the things, and I will see you in the next one. I actually have something pretty exciting planned for the next one, so make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye.